Hey guys, it's Paul. You've just missed one of them, but if you're here, you've probably been getting these really annoying Gmail alert, your account is hacked, Mac OS is danger, and it makes it look like it's come from the system setting. I don't know what website I've been on to get this, but I need to be a bit more careful. I'm doing some research and some dodgy bloody stuff going off. So obviously this has been popping up every 15 minutes while I've been asleep, and it's just gone mental. Easy way to get rid of it, Safari, settings, and then that one, notifications. So go to websites. I actually didn't clock it the first time. Notifications. This will make it look like a system setting. I'll zoom this up maybe on the as I edit it, and then we're going to remove that. Or you could even deny it. We're just going to remove it. Get rid of it. Get rid of them settings, and they'll be gone. Look. So it's definitely that one. That's as easy as it is to get rid of it. Safari, settings, websites, notifications. Get rid of any dodgy websites. Absolute scumbags in the world. But that's the world we live in, isn't it? Any other questions like this, let me know. As I get any problems, I will share as well. Come and visit pnuk.com. More free training. Help you grow your business. And the internet is just full of scumbags in it. But let's keep the faith. Let's keep working. And I'll see you all again soon. Punk out.